Dufferin Islands, the blue heron, as I call the devil bird. It's so beautiful here. Tasha, hi. You were just in the water. Yeah.
Let me put your new sandals in the water with the baby. Yeah. It's a pretty bird, eh? You can't even really even see it. The legs are so skinny. And so tall. Don't they have mates? Where's this other bird? Like, where's his friends? Oh, look at it, it's opening its mouth. Why? You're Oh, Chikaja! Get off, mommy! Guppy, go
He
up.
wants to put his paws up there. There you go. He's just like a person.
He's just like a person. Okay, mommy, bring you in the water. Come on. Mommy, bring you in the water. Over here. Your puppy in the water. Come on.
Bye, Kasha. Bye. Bye.